Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to move the price scale to the left or right in TradingView. If you've ever felt like the price scale on your chart is getting in the way of your drawings or indicators, or you just prefer a different layout for better visibility, this quick adjustment can make your charts feel much more comfortable to use. Adjusting the price scale is an easy way to make your charting setup more tailored to your workflow, and it can enhance your overall trading experience, whether you're day trading, swing trading, or just analyzing price action. First, a quick note on what we're changing. The price scale is the vertical axis that shows the current price levels for your symbol. By default, TradingView places it on the right side of the chart, which works for most people. However, depending on your monitor setup, which hand you use for your mouse, or simply what you're used to from other platforms, moving the scale to the left can improve your workflow. For example, if you're left-handed or have a wider monitor setup, placing the price scale on the left might feel more natural and comfortable, allowing for easier chart navigation. Here's how to do it on the chart. Move your mouse directly over the price scale itself, not the main chart area. You'll know you're in the right spot because you'll be hovering over the narrow vertical strip where the price labels and ticks appear. Once you're on that scale, right-click. This opens a small context menu with options specific to the scale, so you're not changing anything about your chart except how the scale is positioned. From that menu, select the option labeled Move Scale to Left. As soon as you click it, the price scale snaps over to the left side of your chart. That's it. There's no reload, no extra confirmation, and no impact on your indicators, drawings, or time frames. Your candles, lines, and tools stay exactly where they are. Only the vertical price axis switches sides, giving you a more personalized layout. This simple visual adjustment can make your chart much more comfortable, especially if you want to avoid cluttering your view or have a preference for reading price labels on the left. A couple of tips to make this feel natural. If you don't see the menu you expect, make sure you're right-clicking on the price scale area and not the main chart canvas. It's a small target, especially if you've zoomed out, so it helps to hover until you clearly see the price labels and then click. Also, keep in mind that this is a visual preference. It won't affect alerts, orders, or any calculations. It only changes where your eye naturally goes to read prices. So don't worry, your chart analysis and trade setups won't be disrupted in any way. TradingView typically remembers this choice as part of your chart layout, so once you make the change, it should stick the next time you open that layout. This means that you won't have to keep adjusting the price scale every time you load your charts. If you work across multiple layouts or symbols, you can quickly repeat this adjustment wherever you want the same view. Whether you're switching between different asset classes or looking at multiple time frames, this adjustment can give you a more efficient trading workspace. And that's all it takes. A simple right-click on the price scale, choose Move Scale to Left, and you're set with a cleaner, more comfortable chart. This quick trick can make your charting experience more seamless and visually appealing, giving you the ability to focus more on the analysis and less on adjusting your layout. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tip helps you improve your TradingView setup.